Alright, go. Just don't do stupid things, man. I'm sorry. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. I know, he had a whole meltdown. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, you crazy boy. He's like, you crazy man. You crazy man. Alright, so Kirby did good. Murphy did good. I'm sorry, Mr. Chadlito. Chadlito. What happened, Chadlito? Come here. Chadlito, what are you doing? You crazy man. Chadlito. Be nice, Charlie. Be a good boy. That boy can kill you very easily. Good job, Charlito. Come on. You did good. You did so good. You did so good being a nice boy. Come in. Come in, Charlito. Good job, Charlie. Good job, Charlito. Charlie. Hey, let's walk. Walk, Charlito. Por suerte tengo toda la gordura. He call him a little bit higher next time. Like, let him do it. Don't even tell him no. Let him get ahead, and then you just tap at a little bit higher level. And then you go like, come on, man, I told you. All right, another doggy. Dale. Oh, he's avoiding it, so support him then. You're doing fine, buddy. And add space as you get closer to help him kind of see that you're not putting him right next to the threat. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. And next time, like as you're getting close to a dog like that, you can take an exaggerated step to the right. Like to make him feel like, because you saw that he was kind of like leaning away. So you kind of like honor that, like, hey, no worries, we're not gonna get right close to it. I'm not gonna put you where you're already uncomfortable. But that was very good, Mr. Kirby. Very, very good.
Yes.
Charlie, walk. Good boy. Oh, sorry. I was focusing too much on Mr. Kirby since he's the dog reactive one. ¿Sabes qué? No dejé la ventana abierta, así que como regresemos.
Good job, Minnie. Good job. Hey, Charlito. He's such a Charlito. He's such a funny dog. Wow. Good job, Mr. Charlito.
Alright, good stuff. I guess we'll walk by that dog that we walked earlier one more time. Yeah, do them both on a free and see. All 3 dogs on a free. Charlito. Don't scratch, man. Alright, so we have now Kirby on a free. Oh, pee-pee. Again? You just pee-pee, man. Oh, look at that man. He's looking good. I might have poopy, so hold on one second.